Okay, welcome back, guys. So, another video, another day. Wonderful summer day. So, we're in Södermalm and going along the Tanto by water. And it's Sunday, so that means it's market day. And they had a lot of outdoor stalls with restaurants and wonderful international foods and other things. Capricci Italian restaurants, which is permanent. We have a beautiful waterside.
Den här året är bättre, men förra året var ju katastrof.
They sell clothes, little stalls, knickknacks, healing potion.
Tony.
Jewelry. Of course, strawberries. What is this? Polska kielbasa. It's very busy. People are hungry. So I can get some, what do we have here? Crispy lamb or crispy lamb. Kebab roulette, shawarma. Sitting areas. Chocolate. What do you have here? Colombian hot dogs, empanadas. Yeah. Langosh.
All right.
Liberian food. The slow cooker. There. Look at this guy. Pastel stanata. Okay.
Men jag vet
Jag får en odofskänsla att jag kommer bli
Colombia Well, it's this Italian. Gotta be. And you might have soul food.
Jag printar med en bil och glass design. De är svindyra.
Taste the wheel, Stockholm.
De kan göra en insida.
What are you selling? Mutton sizzler rolls. Chicken sizzler. Very nice. Laulita. Birria again. Holy guacamole.
Det här, alltså henne särskilt.
Yumma. What is this? Fried chicken bowl. Huh, okay. Mega pepper chicken. Unique and unforgettable. Delicious. Okay. More areas here. No food stalls though. And the regular outdoor restaurants. Sitting areas. Embargo, drinks and coffee. Okay. And we have a final stop up here. Grill spits. Wow, what is this? Let's have a look in here. Okay. Cool. And oh yeah, by the way, I can from here oversee what's down there where we just went through. Get a better view of it. Now, this is the beauty of Södermalm and Hornstull. Absolutely magical place. And here we have Daisy's Soul Grill and Coca-Cola for your traditional hot dog, burgers, things like that. Now, This is also made into walking street. Beautiful. More and more here on Södermalm. I like this. I'm not anti-car. It's just that sometimes we need livable areas where you can go out for a stroll and go have dinner and walking around, relaxing, without having to drive anywhere. I think also this is what makes Stockholm one of the more interesting areas to live in or visit. So, but I think this is it for this time, and I'll see you in the next video. So if you like this kind of video, give me a like and subscribe. Bye bye.